Hey, what's up? It's your tech bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about an incredibly affordable phone, but is it a bang for the buck model? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Infinix Hot 10 Play. Again and again, Infinix brings us really affordable bang for the buck phones here in the Philippines. Thanks to Infinix, any Filipino regardless of age and class has access to the wide world of social media, accessed of course through a smartphone. Pero sulit at solid bang Infinix Hot 10 Play? Let's find out. We have the usual recognizable Infinix packaging in green and orange, a couple of highlighted features in the front, and more details on the back which we'll talk about later. Inside, we get the phone straight away, which we'll skip for now. Then of course, we have the paper package that contains the SIM ejector tool, papers, screen protector, 1X Gold for some nifty things from X Club, and a hard case. I really appreciate these over the usual included jelly cases because they feel much more premium. Then last, we have the charging brick and the micro USB cable. Medyo nakakalungkot that we don't get USB-C here, but it's an affordable phone, so I understand the micro USB. Now let's take a look at the phone. The glass stick feels good in the hand, and the color and pattern do well in hiding any fingerprints it might pick up. Pero syempre, we have a hard case to add protection as well as cover everything up. You can also find the fingerprint scanner on the back, which should be extremely useful when you're out. That's because yes, we have face detection here, but if you're going out, you gotta wear a mask. And because you're wearing a mask, you can't really detect your face, so fingerprint scanner na lang. And we also have some nice subtle Infinix branding. On the left side, we have the SIM tray, and on the right, we have the power button and volume rocker. Below is the micro USB port and headphone jack. Sadly, walang kasamang earphones, so you're gonna have to buy your own. And if you noticed, we also have no speaker grills below. That's because we have a front-firing single speaker found above the display. Here's a sample. It's regrettably not that loud in person, so again, I recommend buying your own earphones. Next up, we have a whopping 6.82-inch HD Plus display. This is a really good sight to see. Literally. Not only is the screen a big one, but I was pretty happy with the colors when I was watching some videos. Icons look nice and sharp, and it's an overall pleasant display to look at. It would be a perfect budget media device if it only had better speakers. But yeah, nothing a pair of good earphones cannot fix. Now for the cameras, we have a 13-megapixel AI dual rear camera. I'm pretty happy we don't have a bunch of stats stuff for cameras, and instead Infinix focused on ones that matter. One main camera and an AI camera to support it. While on the front, we have an 8-megapixel AI selfie camera found on a dewdrop notch. These should get you some decent pictures which you can drop on social media, but tip, make sure you have good lighting. But also, colors do seem to wash out when you have too much of it. But for the price, they are okay photos and videos. I would post them. The usual weakness for budget phone cameras is the dark, but for these, you're gonna have to find some sort of middle ground. Moving on, for an affordable price, you'll have a fun, smooth experience using the awesome screen, decent cameras, and UI with what this budget phone is packing. It sports a Helio G35 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB internal storage. What I can say is this combo is perfect for its price range. You should be able to enjoy light gaming on this, but don't expect much when it comes to titles like Genshin Impact. Guys, do not get this phone for games like that. But you will enjoy hours and hours of chill games and your favorite shows and videos thanks to the huge 6000 mAh battery. So I guess I know where the play in the title comes from. And you can charge that up with the included 10-watt charger, though we don't have fast charging. What's cool though is that when it reaches 5%, it will go on ultra power mode, which should get you 19 hours of additional life, but probably on standby mode for emergencies. Although not perfect, the Infinix Hot Play is yet another bang for the buck winner. Saktong-sakto siya for people looking for a media consumption device, or one for playing simpler games without needing to break the bank. And if you're looking to gift someone their first ever smartphone, Infinix is definitely a brand to look at. The Infinix Hot 10 Play will be available on Lazada for just 4,990 pesos. However, on Infinix Super Brand Day this May 28, the Hot 10 Play will be even more affordable at just 4,590 pesos. You guys can check out reviews on this and many other smartphones on Unbox.ph. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because when we hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So, hashtag sub2unbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.